welcome back to another episode. I hope you guys are all doing well, and if you're new here, hello, hi, my name is Funke Adesh. Welcome to my channel. This video is going to be a review on this gorgeous wig I am wearing right now. You guys, this week makes me want to book a holiday, go to somewhere sunny, sipping on cocktail, you know, in a bikini with this hair. Honey, it's just such a mood. Okay, so anyways, if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, going from a yellow 613 blonde to this, the whole process, everything in this video. Okay, also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you do enjoy this video or any of my videos, and yeah, comment down below and let me know if you like this gorgeous wig on me. So guys, this is what the hair looks like. This hair was sent to me by MyFashion Hair. They sent me the blonde 13x4 lace front wig, body weight 24 inches and 150 density. So the hair comes with 3 combs, 2 at the front and 1 at the back. So I'm literally just pinning the hair on the mannequin. So guys, this is the hair dye I'll be using today. Garnier. This hair dye is actually the best. So I'm literally separating the hair, separating the frontal from the bundles, just so I can have like an easy application and there's no hair in between. Also spraying some got2b on the bundles part, just so there's no flyaways or hair in between, as I said earlier. And I'll be parting the frontal into 2, just so I can have like an easy application. But if you want to do everything together, just do everything together. And I literally used all the hair dye, like all the bottle, used everything on the hair. And guys, this is the most important part of this video. This is where I'm showing you guys how to really dye your roots without staining the lace. This is an beginner friendly application or method, let's say. So that's literally where I want my roots to be up to. I'm literally taking my rattle comb, take the smallest comb you do have. So I'm just combing the roots gently. So I'll dip my rattle comb into the hair dye bowl and I'll just comb it. So this is the normal speed. This is the normal speed. This part is not sped up at all. So literally just combing it gently up onto where you want your root to be up to. Combing one side, combing the other side before I part the hair, literally. So that's what I'm doing. It's really easy. You just need to take your time, be gentle, and obviously have a good lighting where it allows you to really see what you're doing properly, so you don't really like stain the lace or anything like that. If you want your roots longer than mine, you can just easily like comb it a bit further. And yeah, so obviously doing the same application over and over again, taking my time, you know, we don't want to rush or anything like that, you know, because in case you're doing like another type of color, you don't want to rush that you're gonna stain the lace. So I'll say take your time. It's a long process, but you know, you need to take your time just so you have like a good clean result. So here I'm showing you guys a closer look of what I am literally doing. So as you guys can see, just combing the roots little by little, gentle by gentle. I'm dipping my rattle comb into the hair bowl, combing. Okay, so it's literally so simple. As you guys can see, I am not touching the lace at all. I'm literally just touching the hair, the roots of the hair, and I'm combing it. Okay, so that's literally the process over and over again. Okay, so guys, this is what the final application looks like. Obviously it's not going to look dark like that because I didn't use a dark dye like that. So yeah, that's why I want my root to be up to. If you want your root shorter than that, then just apply up onto where you want your root to be at, if that makes sense. So right now I'm just picking random pieces and I am just applying the hair dye to it. Obviously I just wanted to go like highlight. I didn't want the hair to be one color. Obviously I wanted the hair, why am I saying obviously too much? Anyway, sorry about that. So what I'm saying is that I wanted the hair to have like silver tones, blonde tones, and like the dyed part of it, literally. So right now I'm just picking random pieces, applying the hair dye to it, and yeah. So when you're applying, make sure you are blending the roots and the other part of the hair together, just so there's no demarcation there. Make sure you're blending everything all together. And here I am taking my purple shampoo because, as I said earlier, I wanted like silver streaks to the hair. So I'm basically taking my purple shampoo, applying it to like random parts of the hair. So what I do is that I separate a big chunk, not a huge chunk like that, but I just separate a part of the hair. And as you guys can see, I am picking with my rat tail comb and just going into like a zigzag motion, picking kind of thing. So I do one part of like the natural blonde, and I do another part of like the purple shampoo for like silver tones, and I do another part of the hair dye. So I just do it randomly. There's no like guide I follow or anything. I just pick it randomly and I do randomly, because obviously after like the hair is all down, it just gives it that like really nice color and all that stuff. So as you guys can see, I am blending everything. After I do one section of, let's say for example, the hair dye, because obviously it's going to extend my hands, I take a towel that I know that I use for my hair, I clean my hands to then apply the purple part of the hair, or to then apply maybe the dye again. So after each application of dye or purple shampoo, I do clean my hands, just so I'm not getting the purple shampoo or the dye onto the next section, if that makes sense. Obviously you guys are seeing what I'm doing. I might be explaining a bit weird, but you guys are seeing what I'm doing literally. So this is my purple shampoo. I would definitely recommend this purple shampoo because it does like lift brassy tones and all that stuff in less than 5 minutes. So here is what I'm saying. Can you guys see what I'm saying? Like, you have parts of the purple shampoo, parts of the hair dye, and parts of the blonde hair, and this is what the root is looking like. Obviously this hair dye, chef's kiss, honestly. So I wasn't satisfied with how the hair the root was dark. It wasn't dark enough for my liking, so I went ahead with a darker color of the same hair dye. As I told you guys, this hair dye is the truth. So literally the same application but with a darker hair dye. So if you want a dark root, I'll just say just use the darker tone instead of doing like both tones, if that makes sense, because then you don't waste money. So here she is. Okay, are we feeling her the way I'm feeling her? Because I'm loving this hair so much. I'm really happy with the way the color turned out, and the roots as well, not too dark, not too light either. I've already blow dried the hair, straightened the hair off camera, because if not, this video would be long. Okay, so I am loving this hair. I am loving her so much. She's just so pretty. She is flowing, and this hair has good quality. Like, the hair is just silky, flowing, all the good stuff. And of course the hair dye I use is really amazing. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I love it so much. So here I am doing my same application always. I use Got to Be because obviously, not gonna lie to you, Ghost Bond is just so much hassle for me. I can't do it, and more time I don't even sleep with hair. But this is a little bit of TMI, okay, so we're gonna save that for another time. So yeah, this is my normal application or installation, let's say. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and yeah. So guys, this is the final look of the hair. I really love this hair so much. The hair is so nice. Like guys, I really love the way this color turned out. I don't know how it's coming on camera though, but this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Really love the way the blonde turned out. It really worked well. As you guys can see, I just didn't want really dark roots. I wanted something like medium light brown. So yeah, I went ahead and I dyed the roots a bit darker with the 6.0. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it's literally the same hair dye. Guys, when I tell you this hair dye is my favorite hair dye. When I tell you guys, I've used hair dyes in the past where when you're applying it, it's just drying out your hair. You finish rinsing it out, it's just your hair is still dry. It's just it does have like oils in it which really moisturizes your hair and your weave. I would definitely be trying this on my natural hair because I do dye my natural hair jet black, but that's not the case right now. It does have like natural oils in it which does moisturizes your weave. Even during application, it's really smooth, it glides on easily, it's just moisturizing. After washing your hair is silky, it's soft, it's shiny, it has like natural shine to it basically. So this hair dye, definitely recommend. This is what I use always. Other times where I haven't used this is because I didn't find the color I wanted. But if I do find the color I want in this Garnier collection, I do get this hair dye 100%. But yeah, this hair dye, the truth. Let's get into the hair specs. The hair lace is a bit on the thicker side. It does melt into your skin, but it's a bit thick. When I say thick, yeah, when you're touching it, it's a bit like thick on your hands basically. Obviously, I had to go with my foundation and all that shenanigans because you guys know I don't tint my lace. But if you do tint your lace, then perfect. But it's still nice, it's still decent, like nothing too bad. You can still work with it. Let's say the hair is flowing, the hair has body to it. I love the thickness of the hair. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. This is really perfect for me. I really love it. It's really nice. Look how the hair is really flowing. Like I saw how I went in with my purple shampoo to apply it to some parts of the hair because I wanted, like, I don't know if you guys can see properly, but obviously in person it's just not one color. There's some strands in the color and the hair that does have like a toned, really toned silver tone kind of thing. Really toned silver tone. Oh my gosh, Funke. So there's some parts of the hair that does have like silver tones, which is what I really wanted. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's some parts of the hair that looks more toned than the blonde parts, let's say. So that's what I wanted. That's why I was applying the purple shampoo to some strands in the hair. So after each dye process, I went ahead and obviously rinsed out the dye, then went to my purple shampoo to wash it out. I didn't let it sit or anything, I just washed it out straight away, then went to like normal shampoo to wash everything out. That's how I achieved this color, literally. I went ahead and I took out the combs just so I can have like a flat installation. The knots took bleach really well. I did bleach the knots off camera because obviously you guys have been seeing that all that process every time. Shedding on this hair is actually minimal, nothing too crazy. So basically, before they shipped this hair to me, they didn't have it ready, so they had to make the wig for me. Yeah, I think it took like 2 days, but shipping didn't take long. Shipping was really quick. Something I'm gonna point out is the packaging of the hair was really normal. Like they just put the hair in the bag and they threw it inside the carrier bag, if that makes sense, and that was it. Also, I would definitely recommend the method I used to dye the roots because it's actually so easy. You don't have to, I don't know, it's kind of like beginner friendly. So all you do is just be brushing it little by little, bit by bit. Make sure you take your time because you don't want to stain the lace, especially if you like doing like another type of color that's not this one. Obviously, I haven't tried to see if it's gonna hold curls. I might try something on my Instagram, so follow me on Instagram if you don't follow me, or maybe just add some like waves to it or something, and maybe I don't know, something really simple and nice. I would definitely recommend the 613 wig, which is this one I am wearing. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning again with me. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, thank you for your love and support always, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.